Hi there, welcome to Debutify. In this quick video, we'll show you how to set up and customize the Slideshow section in your Debutify theme. The Slideshow is a powerful feature that enhances your store's visual appeal by showcasing dynamic slides of your products, promotions, or brand content. It helps capture attention and creates a more engaging shopping experience for your visitors. Let's get started. Accessing the section. To access the Slideshow section, start by opening your customized Debutify theme. Next, go to Template and locate the Slideshow section. To enable or disable this feature, go to Theme Settings, then open Free Widgets. Once enabled, return to the template and select the Slideshow section. To add it, click Add Section. Search for Slideshow and select it. After adding the section, you'll be able to customize all available settings. Under Show On, you can choose where the Slideshow section will be displayed: desktop, mobile, or both. Use container size to control how wide the Slideshow section appears on the page. Default keeps standard spacing on both sides of the section. Full expands the content to full width, removing left and right spacing for a bold, wide visual effect. You can set the slide height separately for desktop and mobile, giving you full control over how your content appears on different devices. Choose Adapt to the first image to automatically match the height of your first uploaded image, or select Small, Medium, or Large to maintain a consistent section size across all slides. This helps you balance visual impact with content readability. Choose Image Animation Behavior to define how your slides feel. Select None for a clean, static presentation, or Ambient Movement to introduce a gentle motion effect that brings your visuals to life without distracting from your content. For mobile layouts, adjust the content position to control where your text and elements appear. Place content above or below the image for a more structured, stacked layout, or choose Inside to overlay content directly on the slide for a more immersive, modern design. When autoplay is enabled, the slider scrolls automatically. Adjust the autoplay speed to control how fast it moves. Enable loop to make the slider continuously cycle. Show dots enables navigation dots below the slider for easy slide switching. Show arrows enables left and right arrows for smooth navigation between slides. For styling, select arrow color as either inherit to use your theme's default color, or custom to choose your own. You can also set a custom arrow color and a custom arrow background color for complete design control. Set the arrow position to control where navigation arrows appear within the slider. Choose Middle to place arrows on the left and right sides, vertically centered for easy access. Select Bottom to position them lower in the section, creating a cleaner and less intrusive look. Use the position control to decide how arrows are displayed relative to the slider. Choose Outside to place them just beyond the slider edges, giving your content more space and improving visibility, especially for larger layouts. Select Inside to keep arrows within the slide area for a compact, modern design. You can enter a slideshow description text to help customers understand your content, especially those using screen readers. To add content, you can add a block and then select Slider. This lets you create engaging slides using images and videos, ideal for showcasing products, highlighting promotions, or telling your brand story in a visual way. Set media priority to control which content appears first when both images and videos are added. This ensures the most important media is always displayed prominently. Upload separate images for the desktop to ensure your slideshow is fully optimized for larger screens. Upload separate images for mobile to ensure your slideshow is perfectly adapted for smaller screens. You can also fine-tune image alignment separately for desktop and mobile, giving you precise control over how your images are positioned within each slide. Choose from 9 alignment options: top left, top center, top right, middle left, middle center, middle right, bottom left, bottom center, and bottom right. Upload videos for desktop to deliver high-quality, full-screen visual experiences on larger devices. After uploading, configure the video alignment to position your content precisely within the slide, whether centered, top-aligned, or placed in a specific corner for better visual balance. Upload videos for mobile to ensure a smooth and responsive viewing experience on smaller screens. You can adjust the alignment in the same way, allowing you to control exactly how the video content appears and ensuring key visuals remain clearly visible and well-positioned on all devices. You can also fine-tune the box alignment separately for desktop and mobile, giving you precise control over how your boxes are positioned within each slide. Choose from 9 alignment options: top left, top center, top right, middle left, middle center, middle right, bottom left, bottom center, and bottom right. Enable or disable the container on the desktop based on your preferred layout style. Adjust image overlay opacity for desktop from 1% to 100% to control how strongly the overlay appears over your images. Adjust image overlay opacity for mobile from 1% to 100% to ensure text remains clear and readable on smaller screens, while still preserving the visual appeal of your images and videos. Match your slider perfectly with your brand identity using color schemes: light background, primary background, secondary background, dark background, or custom. Create your own color palette for full control over the section's appearance. You can enhance your slider block with blocks such as description, double button, icon, single button, subtitle, and title. Each block comes with its own customization options, giving you full control over your layout. And that's it. Your slideshow section is now ready to go. If you need any help, feel free to contact the Debutify support team. We're always happy to assist. Thanks for watching and happy customizing with the Debutify theme.